Object-oriented design and programming. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of inheritance. Inheritance. Inheritance is one of the key features of object-oriented programming in C++. It allows us to create a new classes from an existing class. For example, we have two class name animal and dog. Animal have two functions named as eat and sleep. Dog class have one function named as bark. Also, the dog class has derived from the animal class, so it can able to use the functions eat and sleep. So this can be represented using the concept of image. So animal having two functions, eat and sleep. At the same time, dog is the derived class, so it has its own function named as bark. Also, it has the concept of base class functions also. So this is one simple example for inheritance. So in here we have the class name animal, and animal having the function name as void eat and void sleep. And the class name dog, it's nothing but the derived class, and this derived class is nothing but the function, it having the function name as bark. So we are creating one object name as dog1 for the class dog, and using the object we are calling the function eat and sleep, also the bark function. So this two function, that is nothing but eat and sleep, belongs to the base class that can also be accessible. At the same time, derived class function nothing but bark also can be accessible. So we can see the types of inheritance. We have five types. One is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. So now we are going to discuss about the single inheritance. Single inheritance is defined as like in which a derived class is inherited from the only one base class. Here we can see one example. Okay. So here we have the class name as account, and account is nothing but the base class, and we have the derived class nothing but the programmer. So programmer is derived from the account public. So here we have the data members for account, also we have the data members for the programmer. Now we are going to create one object for the programmer because this is the derived class. So using the object of derived class, we can access the base class data, also the derived class data. So this concept is called as a single inheritance. Using only one base class, we are deriving one derived class. Next, we are going to discuss about the multi-level inheritance. It's a process of deriving a class from another derived class. So now according to B, A is the base class. According to C, B is the base class. Okay. So this is about the multi-level inheritance. So here we have the example. We have three classes named as animal, dog, and baby dog. So animal has a single member function eat, which print the eating as the statement. Dog class is derived from the animal class, meaning it inherits the eat function. It also has its own member function bark, which prints barking when called. Next one is about baby dog. Baby dog is derived from dog, so it inherits both the eat and bark functions from the dog. Additionally, it has its own member function weep. So it is to print the statement weeping when called. In the main function, we create the object for baby dog class alone. So using this object, we can call eat bark weep function on D1. It prints the statement according to the content what we have written inside the function. So this demonstrates inheritance in object-oriented programming, where subclasses inherit the properties and behaviors of their parent classes, and they can also add their own unique functionalities. Thank you.